Hi, I'm Phil Baker and I'm proud to be the County Councillor for Saundersfoot, and I want to share with you today the work that we did through 2020 and 2021 in regard to the volunteer experience that we had in Saundersfoot. When I got sent home from County Hall back in March, because we could see the pandemic marching across Europe toward us, it became obvious that there was not going to be a cavalry coming over the hill in the immediate foreseeable future. So what we did, I had a couple of meetings with groups down in the village, the Saundersfoot Chamber for Tourism, in regard to getting a volunteer group together. And I was aware then that there were 4 ladies that were building a Facebook page, Saundersfoot Connect, and what we did is smash the 2 of those together.
So back in March 2020, the 3 of us plus Jackie set up Saundersfoot Connect Facebook group, and we did it because obviously with the pandemic looming, we realised there was a need for some sort of central place for information about what was open, what was going on, and just sort of keep people updated really with what was happening in Saundersfoot and the surrounding area.
So we dealt with something like 500 phone calls, delivered over 250 prescriptions, but it became much more than that. It was dog walking, it was people shopping, and people just getting together on Saundersfoot Connect to chat to each other, which has transpired this year, now that people can actually meet, that people are now forging friendships that they didn't have before.
When we've talked about it, that's one of the things we're most chuffed about, is the number of people who know each other now because of Saundersfoot Connect. And you know, people who go out in the village and say, oh gosh, you're so and so and so and so, and I know you from Saundersfoot Connect, and that's really lovely. And all of us, I think, have made friends through Saundersfoot Connect. We've met people we wouldn't have otherwise met.
So then we moved on to decide how else could we help, and a chance phone call with Lorraine from the Tuk Tuk Time. So then moving into the village and actually assisting with delivering prescriptions, delivering food, and we also then started a food bank as well, and Lorraine got involved in that as well with Tin Man Tuesday in the local area.
But during the pandemic, we found ourselves repurposing our tuk-tuks to help the community. This came about really by a chance phone call with Councillor Phil Baker, who reached out to us and said, let's compare notes about what you're doing and what we're doing in Saundersfoot. We ended up helping the elderly and the vulnerable in Saundersfoot with a fabulous team of volunteers who drove around Saundersfoot area delivering medication and provisions.
Yeah, so it just proves what can be done in a community like Saundersfoot. I'm incredibly proud of the way the whole community pulled together. It's really is inspirational, and I hope other communities actually see what can be achieved and work to the same ends.